AuraFlow is the largest fully open source model with a massive 6.8 billion parameters in its latest 0.2 version. The update was released extremely quickly, likely within less than a month since the previous 0.1 version. It shows huge potential.
It's actually the model that truly meets our ideal expectations and can stand up against the SD trilogy. Another one is Tencent's Hunyuan model, which has updated to version 1.2. The version 2.1 has definitely improved compared to my last evaluation because the previous one gave me a feeling that it wasn't well trained. Moreover, after a series of updates, ComfyUI now natively supports the Hunyuan model and its corresponding LoRA models. I used a 1.5 version LoRA model and it is already taking effect. In conclusion, it was very good. Where is the inherent support reflected? It's no different from using a 1.5 model or an SDXL model before. The ecosystem will definitely become better in the future, and it fully supports Chinese. Nowadays, various models keep emerging, creating a situation akin to 100 schools of thought vying for prominence. In such circumstances, the uncertainty of the future has become the most certain thing of all. I recommend a great SD community called RunningHub. It has an extensive collection of models, supports online image generation without needing local computing power, and offers very fast generation speeds. It also provides a wide range of ComfyUI workflow resources that are updated in sync.
Navigate to the AI decorations section or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 HB, log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.